been off lately. I've just been traveling, but I'm back now and I'm going to be focusing on some delicious recipes for you. So today's recipe, I'm going to do a banana and dates smoothie. We are going to incorporate core superfoods like flax seeds. I also have almond butter, which is cool for your protein intake, especially for those who are working out. That'll be a brilliant addition to your smoothie. I also have coconut milk and then some ice, obviously. Okay guys, so from this shake, it's going to improve your cardiovascular health benefits. You're also going to have some fiber, protein, and it's going to help with the kidney function and your immune system. So let's get started. So firstly I'm going to add my ice, then I'm going to add my banana. Okay, then you're now going to add your dates. I have taken out the seeds from these dates. For this smoothie I'm only going to use 5. And then I'm going to add my flax seeds. And then I actually want to just add 1 tablespoon of the almond butter. Okay, I'm going to actually do a close-up on this one so you can see the oil separation that happens when you're dealing with peanut butter or any other nut butter. But not to worry too much because the oil itself is actually good for you. So as you can see that there's actually oil at the top of this butter. Not to worry, this is a natural process. You can just kind of either move it aside and scoop 1 tablespoon of your butter. I sometimes include with the oil because it's actually really good for you, especially for your hair and skin. So once you've done that, all you gotta do is add your coconut milk. I'm just gonna add it now to the maximum line. Okay, so that's about it, and then we're going to blend. Make sure it's closed and secure. What we're going to do, just going to press it down. Okay, I'm now going to check the consistency and let's see how it tastes. Oh wow, look how smooth that is, okay? So I'm hoping that this combination is going to taste absolutely amazing. So delicious. I can definitely taste the dates, the banana, and the almond as well. It's very separate yet together. Amazing. So definitely try this at home, guys. Let me know what you think. Stay healthy, and I will be putting more videos this week. So stay tuned, guys. Bye.